Morning everyone, good morning sir. I'm Luigi Aspramas. This is my topic. It's all about galaxy clusters. So, galaxy clusters are the largest object in the universe that are held together by their own gravity. They contain hundreds of thousands of galaxies, not like plasma, and a large amount of invisible dark. So we all know guys that galaxy cluster is composed of 100,000. So iba na sila pag magmula sila. As you can see in these pictures, shows that the red spot of galaxy cluster is talk about this is a global group or global group or galaxy cluster. So galaxy clusters is relatively nearby universe include the Virgo cluster, Boreas cluster, Hercules cluster, and Corda cluster, a very large combination of galaxies known as the Great Attractor dominant by the Norma cluster in massive, enough to affect the lunar expansion of the universe. So as you can see, this picture shows that this is the galaxy cluster that composed of hundreds of thousands. So as you observe, there is part of galaxy cluster stop up. That is a galaxy cluster composed of 100. Then this is my example of galaxy clusters, which is the local galactic group or local group Urano-Fornax cluster. This is the Fornax cluster. And Aridanis cluster, then Ursa Major group cluster, Virgo cluster. Those are galaxy cluster that compose of 100,000 galaxies that compose hot plasma.